What? Wait. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Recently I took off my Paperlike screen protector because it just got really old and I had a second one, but I lost it, so I had to order another one. But I didn't want to order Paperlike because I heard that there are cheaper versions that are as good. And I actually had a cheaper version of matte protector, but then I changed it to Paperlike, but I don't really remember if it was better or worse than Paperlike. So today we are going to find out because I had Paperlike 2 days ago, so I still remember. My fish brain still has the memory of the Paperlike, so we can compare. Let's just get into it, and I just want to let you know that I'm so bad in applying screen protectors. I bought this one. It's Super Shields screen protector. Yeah, I had it already once. I have 3 screen protectors right here. It was something like $15 for 3 screen protectors. 3 chances to apply it. So I hope I will succeed finally, because I don't have anything more. 3 tries and I swear possibly I will not succeed today. Wish me luck, because yeah. Alright, so I still have the Paperlike installation tools just in case, but this one doesn't have any. Let's just open it up and begin. I'm so scared. Alright, so we'll take one. By the way, I will leave you the link for this one in the description because it's not so easy to find. I was trying to find it for quite some time and I found it. Let's see, what do they have inside? Do they have anything? Yes, they have a card. I know that Paperlike doesn't include any cards because they want to be sustainable, and I think it's a good idea because everyone has a card. This one does include a card, so that's nice because I don't have to walk downstairs and that's it. But it would be better for the environment if they didn't. So I don't know. I only have this. This is the cloth to clean it. And what the hell is this? Do they have anything else? No, that's it. And I don't think this is enough. This is not enough. What you get in Paperlike is, I don't know. I know that Paperlike has this whole guide on how to apply the screen protector. And they have wet wipes. It's really handy. Okay, so we have all those things from Paperlike, but I'm not going to use it, just to see if when you order this screen protector from Super Shields, if you can apply it without any dust. And if I do it, you can do it too. So, okay, there are a lot of fingerprints on this and I have to wash it away. Okay, it will take some time, you know what? Okay, I guess it's clean, but I see dust particles coming back every time. So I think I will have to go to the bathroom, because in the bathroom you don't have so many dust. So I guess we're going in there. There are still dust coming on my iPad, so I guess we have a problem and we will have to do it as fast as possible so no dust comes back. Alright, so I have to admit that without the wet cloth, it's really hard. Okay, let's see. Okay. So many particles here. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, and mission failed.
2 hours later.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Alright, this is my last try. I'm doing it again. This is my last try. Okay guys, we finally applied the screen protector. It took me 3 times, and that is why I like the Super Shield screen protector, because it gives me 3 tries to do it. But for the last one, I used the Paperlike screen protector tools. But there was not such a big difference, because right now I also have dust particles underneath my screen. So it means that I'm just really bad at it and that it doesn't make such a big difference. But Paperlike makes sure to make this process the easiest it possibly can be. But it's not the most important thing. The most important thing is, how does it feel to draw on it? So we will check this out right away. Alright, so before I do anything, I still remember how it feels with the Paperlike. This is a big moment. This is a big moment. We will see where it's better. Alright, so let's take my new brush set, which is the Juicy Hair brush set right here. It just came out. You can get it on my website, aliciaprints.com, and I'll leave the link for it in the description anyway. So, oh my god, okay. What? Wait. Oh my god. Alright, so the difference I see immediately is that this screen protector kind of breaks the color, so I see a lot of blue and red and yellow colors. But when it comes to, whoa, the sound is really satisfying. It's really more, it has more texture than Paperlike, that's for sure. But does it feel like paper? Is it as comfortable as Paperlike? It's weird. I have to get used to it. Can you hear it? Alright. Alright, so that's my thing I created. I'm not yet too comfortable with it. Like, it feels like, I don't know, I don't want to make assumptions about this screen protector, but it doesn't really feel like it's fully compatible with the Apple Pencil, because sometimes it makes things like this, you know? You know, just like when you're drawing a straight line, it does this. So that's really annoying. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to using it yet. So maybe it's not a problem, maybe I'm the problem. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's not such a big difference though. Like, I don't know. So let's just try sketching for a change. Let's go with my sketching. It's my sketchy line art from my sketch brush set, which is my complete favorite. Alright, so sketching on this protector is really nice. Wait, let's do the infamous eye drawing. By the way, I'm not in a comfortable position right now, so yeah, it feels really nice to sketch. I'll give it that. It feels really nice to sketch. I really like sketching with this protector. I think sketching is more enjoyable than on the Paperlike because of the texture. The texture is more rough. So sketching feels really like you were sketching with an actual pencil, you know? So yeah, that's definitely, I like sketching more with this protector. Oh yeah, I love sketching with this protector. I think I really like it. Yeah, it feels really nice. Oh my god, it feels really amazing to sketch here. Let's do some lips. Yeah, it feels like you really had some more control over your pencil. Yeah, oh my god, I love it. I just love it. Lips, maybe a nose. Oh yeah, I love it. I really like how I really like sketching on this. I just love it. Oh yes, yes, this sketching of this screen protector is amazing. It's just amazing. Alright guys, we finished our review, I guess. So, for you, the answer that you are looking for, people that want to spend less money on a screen protector, let me tell you, you can buy this Super Shield screen protector, which I will share a link in the description of this video, so you can get it right there. You can get it and you will be really satisfied. So the cons of this cheaper screen protector are that it's really hard to apply, like without the extras that Paperlike does send together with the screen protectors. It's really hard without it. You can use something different, like just a sticker. You need a few stickers, a wet cloth, I don't know if you call it like this, I don't know, and you'll be alright. So you can do that. The con is, even if you don't succeed, you have 3 chances, because you get free screen protectors for $14, I guess. And Paperlike sells 2 screen protectors, so 2 chances, 2 tries for $34. So you're still kind of risking your money a little bit more, because it's more expensive and also because it has less screen protectors in it. So, but Paperlike still has also its cons. Although it's expensive, it has its quality. For people that like texture, a lot of texture, the Super Shield would be way better. Super Shield is for you. But if you like a little bit less texture, and if you would find the color breaking annoying when you look like really close to though, you can see it only from up close. If you don't like it, then go for the Paperlike. But people who don't have the money to get Paperlike, this screen protector is perfect for you. Like, it's literally, I am really happy that I have it on my iPad right now, because sketching is just, it's amazing. So yeah, I'll give you the links for both of those screen protectors in the description, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, I guess. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below to show it some love. Let me know if you liked this video, if you found it handy. Yeah, and yeah, if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, so you get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys for watching, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.